Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Nadege if it's your first time here. In this video, I'm going to be doing a full face using Covergirl. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be using the new Covergirl Trublend Base Business Skin Primer, and this is in Illuminating. I love to warm up my products before I apply them to my skin because I feel like they apply so much better. This smells really good. Oh my goodness. I love CoverGirl products. I feel like they always smell good and like they always feel so good on my skin, never too heavy, and I love that. I want to glow all over. You guys know I love to glow. I love to look vibrant. I love to look fresh. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Ultrafine Brow Pencil, and I'm using the color 705 Rich Brown. So I'm starting off by brushing my brows up. I'm going to start lining my brows on the bottom of my eyebrow. I like to line my arch first. That's just how I personally like to do it. And I like to do soft strokes. Since I want to go for more of a fresh look, I do not want to make my eyebrows too heavy right now. I already have pretty thick brows, so I don't want to overdo it and make them too thick. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Trublend Undercover Concealer. To line my brows, I am taking my Morphe S6 brush. And I'm just taking a little bit of this concealer. And I'm going to clean up underneath my brows. So the good thing about doing this is if you have any hairs growing in that need to be taken off on your brow, this is a good way to hide those hairs. Nobody needs to know there's little hairs there. So I'm going to do the same on this side. Is a way that I like to prime my eyes. I find that when I use this concealer before I apply my eyeshadow, pigment of my eyeshadows pop even more. For my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Trunaked Dazed eyeshadow palette. For my crease today, I'm going to be taking this color right here. And I'm just going to tap this on my brush and tap off any excess. I'm applying this color in my crease. I'm going for more of a winged eyeshadow look. So I'm dragging my shadow out a little bit more and I'm creating a nice shape like a wing. For my lid, I'm going to take this orange, copper, peachy color. I really want this color to really pop, so I'm just pressing this onto my lid. Loving this palette. It's so beautiful. For my foundation today, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk Nourishing Foundation, and it has coconut milk and aloe extract. I love coconut milk and I love aloe. So this is amazing to me and I'm excited to use it. So I do have hyperpigmentation on my face. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do before I apply this foundation definitely does have good coverage, but I always like to conceal a little bit before I apply any foundation just to kind of help with some of the dark pigmentation that I have. So I have a few breakouts going on, so I'm gonna put a few of this on my darkest areas. I'm taking this blending sponge and I'm gonna start applying this foundation. This foundation smells so good. I love coconut. I love aloe. Oh my god. This smells so good. I'm so excited. This is so nice. So now I'm just using this blending sponge to tap in this foundation. So I'm a little darker on the perimeter of my forehead because of being in the sun. And I'm going to be using the color Deep to get that area. So this is buildable coverage, so I'm going to build a little bit more. And I'm just going to buff in this deeper color on the edge of my forehead to kind of give me a little bit more of like a contour going on. Give me a nice natural looking contour. Okay, I'm liking how this looks so far. I'm going to be taking the Covergirl Trublend Undercover Concealer, and this is in Golden Honey. I'm just taking a good amount so I could really highlight underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to be setting underneath my eyes with the Covergirl Clean Professional Translucent Medium Powder. I love that it comes with this. This is so cute. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to pat it underneath my eyes. I'm using the Covergirl Ink It eyeliner, and this is in the color Black Ink. So far, I am loving how this look is coming together. I'm so excited. My eyes are still setting, but now I'm going to apply my lashes. These are the Ardell Remy Lashes 778. I'm taking the Covergirl Exhibitionist Mascara, and I'm just going to pull up. I love these lashes. They look so beautiful. My eyes are opening up already. Under my eyes are set so beautifully with this translucent powder. It's really good. I like it. Now I'm taking the same green. I feel like I want to put a little bit underneath my eyes. Yes, to open up my eyes a little bit more. Putting this golden yellow on the inner corners of my eye. I'm going to take the same Covergirl liner and underline my eye just to make sure my lashes blend nicely together. I always go a little bit underneath because I feel like this gives me more of a pop. I love how this is coming together. My eyes are opening up. I feel like my skin looks very fresh with this foundation. Now I want to warm my face up a little bit. I'm going to be taking the Covergirl Trublend Concealer in the color Expresso. And take a little bit on underneath my cheekbones. Contour a little bit here. I'm taking some on my forehead. I'm going to blend this out really nicely. I'm bringing warmth into my face and a little bit of definition. This contour to blend really nicely into my skin. I want it to be a seamless, beautiful contour. So I'm just taking my time to really blend this out. To my contouring, I love the Covergirl Trublend Concealer in Expresso. I feel like it's the perfect match for me. It's about a few shades darker than my skin tone, but it blends so beautifully and gives me a really, really nice color. I'm using the Morphe 208 brush to do this. And I'm just blending my nose. My contour to meet the start of my brows. I feel like it gives me a really nice definition. And I like to do a little bit going across my nose. I'm going to take the Covergirl Trublend Undercover Concealer in the color Golden Honey. And I'm putting a little bit on the tip of my nose to make sure the center is nicely highlighted. For my blush today, I'm using the Covergirl Clean Fresh Cream Blush, and this is in Sweet Innocence 330. Really pretty, very pigmented. So I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm going to tap it on my cheeks. Smile and apply. This is really pretty. I like this. I'm gonna bring a little bit of this color here. I feel like it ties everything together. Maybe put a little bit on the tip of my nose. Yes, I'm loving this. This is so pretty. Now I'm excited to use this. This is the Covergirl Clean Fresh Cooling Glow Stick. And this is in Pink Thrill. Putting this a little bit above my blush. I'm loving these products. Really, really pretty. I'm gonna take a little bit. For my lips today, I'm using the Covergirl Outlast All Day Lip Color. Applying my lip color first. This is a really pretty pink. This is a two-step process. So now I'm gonna take this, which looks like a balm, which is like a lip balm, and you put it over. Ah, this is nice. To set my face, I'm using the Covergirl Outlast Active Setting Mist. This smells so good. So this completes my look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I am loving these Covergirl products. I feel like my skin is glowing so beautifully. I love the eyeshadow. I love how pigmented it is and it blends so easy, which I love. I didn't have much fallout when I was blending the colors, which is a plus for me. I give Covergirl a thumbs up.